Oh, okay. Burning. Yeah, and I'm sorry. I've already long time I'm not making videos. But sorry for my 7 subscribers. I just have 7 subscribers. I will make a thank you video at the 10. Yeah, 10. But I don't care. Okay, now I have 2 new channels. Uh, One is name's Ahmad Firas, and maybe I'll put on Rubik's Cube in it. Yeah, because wait, wait. Okay. I have another one, and I play video games there. Commentary about Minecraft, cause I know Minecraft. Yes, Firas does Minecraft, and I hope you know it. But if you don't know it, then who cares? I'm a fan of Sky does Minecraft. That's why I made Firas does Minecraft. And I don't know in that video. I really put mod reviews to survival games to whatever. I don't care. Okay. Let's go to the Rubik's Cube. Okay, first I can solve the Rubik's Cube with my fastest time, 46 seconds. 46 seconds. Yeah, 46 seconds. And I'll show you. Okay. I'll scramble it first. Supposed to be my god. Oh, stupid. Okay. Okay. Done. And now I'm gonna solve it. And you must see it. I mean, I can solve the 2x2 Rubik's Cube too. Okay, first, let's see. Let's go. Let's start. So, okay. Oh yeah, and don't forget to subscribe. First, just Minecraft and how about first? Solve Rubik's Cube. Wait, I must make it forward. Okay, now let's solve it. Thank you for Rob. Yes, Rob H or what? I don't care. Okay. Now I guess you must make orange. Orange first. Okay. Yeah, there's okay. There's some company here with me. Okay, now orange. My fastest time is 46 seconds. If you want to know. 46 seconds fastest time, but I've been 1 week not playing Rubik's Cube, so I'm bad right now. I'm bad. I'm bad, but I hope I will continue. Okay, so we've done here. Hello. Thank you for Rob HO whatever he has teach me, but the 2x2 I solved it myself. Yeah, I'm not kidding. Solve it myself. I've solved one. Okay, next. So cool. If you want to solve the Rubik's Cube, you can just go to my channel. My channel is, I don't know, I'm the worst teacher ever. If you want to know that. I hope I can play with Sky if it does Minecraft. Okay. And there it is. I've solved the Rubik's Cube. Now I'm gonna solve the 2x2 Rubik's Cube. I'll take it. Here it is, the 2x2 Rubik's Cube. Yeah, I'm gonna scramble it first. Can you scramble it? I'm gonna wait it. Don't forget to subscribe. Firas does Minecraft. He's good. Yeah, but his Skype is bad. His Skype is really bad because that's me. My Skype is really bad. But I successfully joined Skype. Okay, now let's just. Oh, I've been playing Minecraft for 5 months ago. Yeah. So that is November, June. From June I've played Minecraft. Baby, hey, I just met you. Oh, this is crazy. Oh, but here's my number. Oh, I come on style. And it's hot octopus trying to chase me. Here's my number. Come on style. Hey, sexy lady. This is so bad. This is so bad. Oh yeah, if I'm not wrong, this is I didn't make myself. Of course, I learned it from YouTube, but I don't know who's this YouTube guy. I forgot his name, but yes, cool. Yes, make two. He said it's 2 algorithms. Okay. Now let's continue. Okay. Hello, brothers. My name's Jason. Your name is Jason. Shut up. Yeah, you better shut up your mouth, eh? I'm not an English man. I'm a Malaysian. That's why I have this Malaysian shirt for AFF Suzuki Cup. But Malaysia played worst in the last match. Yeah, they lost their own ground. They're bad. But I will give support for my country. I will never let everything goes wrong. Because I hate it. I hate who. Okay. Let's just continue using this. Okay, yes. Can continue. Okay, right. Down, yes. Okay. Down, right, down, right, down, right. Down, right, down, right, down, right, down. There it is. I've solved a 2x2 Rubik's Cube. Well, my fastest time for this thingy is like 57 seconds because I've just buy this thing last Sunday. Yeah, at how many November? There is 27, 28, 28 to 27. Oh, I have. Okay, 28 to 27. Snap out of it. 24th of November 2012. I've just buy it, so that's why 56 seconds. 57 seconds, yeah. 57 seconds. So bye. It's been 10 minutes.